Hello everybody, welcome back to Super Tech Superses. This is Brian. We got another cool video for you. This one involves our Escalera Staircat. What we're going to do is install this retractable load support onto the Escalera Staircat. So we move these massive 600-pound copiers, and the Escalera is fantastic with moving these upstairs. But just getting these to roll with 600 pounds, sometimes it's a little bit difficult to keep the stair climber up. It involves a lot of strength, which I have none of. So this retractable load support will attach, has two legs and some wheels that will keep the stair climber like at this position here, with wheels and retractable legs that retract in and out. So let's get this thing installed. I cannot wait to get this used in the field. Stay.
Alright, now here's everything that's inside the box. I'm going to go ahead and let the music play while I get the retractable load support installed.